Hey there, crypto rookies! Ready to dive into the world of Binance but feeling a bit lost? No worries, I'm here to guide you through it. And hey, don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special discount just for you. Alright, let's get started. So, what is Binance? It's one of the biggest crypto exchanges where you can buy, sell, and trade a ton of cryptocurrencies. Think of it as the Amazon of crypto. Sounds cool, right? First things first, you'll need to create an account. Just head over to binance.com, click on register and fill in your details. Easy peasy. And please, use a strong password. No 123456, okay? Once you're in, you'll need to verify your account. This is just like setting up a social media profile, but with a bit more security. Upload your ID, take a selfie, and boom, you're verified. Now it's time for the fun part, funding your account. You can deposit money using your bank account, credit card, or even other cryptocurrencies. Just go to Wallet, click on Deposit, and follow the instructions. Got your funds? Great! Now you can start trading. Head over to the Markets tab, pick your favorite crypto and hit Buy. It's like online shopping, but for digital coins. Feeling adventurous? Try the advanced trading options. But hey, no pressure. Start slow, learn the ropes, and you'll be a pro in no time. And that's it. Binance made simple and fun. If you found this guide helpful, click the link in the description below to get your special offer. Happy trading, and see you next time.